give me a head.
But what if I just donate 20 for
that was right there. That was right there. You see him drunk. You should
Someone else. Someone else just donated $20, guys. Thank you, someone else. Thanks so much. We appreciate you. Thank you for being so thankful and giving on this special holiday coming up. I hope everyone's having fun hanging with them. Someone else.
Dude, this sounds whack.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. We're glad to have you here in this community, and we're hoping you're having fun. We still got a long way to go, guys.
This is
You
someone
know,
else.
wow. He's got the crown. Oh. Hey, Alex Smith.
Thank